cultivating the right attitude and mindset for wealth, Felix Dennis's journey to immense wealth was not solely reliant on external strategies or market conditions. It was fundamentally anchored in cultivating the right attitude and mindset. One of the pivotal components in this psychological transformation is the recognition and dismantling of self-limiting beliefs. These mental roadblocks, often deeply ingrained from childhood or societal conditioning, can significantly hamper one's ability to accumulate wealth. Beliefs such as money is the root of all evil, rich people are greedy, or I am not capable of achieving financial success, act as invisible chains holding individuals back from their potential. Dennis emphasizes the necessity of replacing these limiting beliefs with empowering thoughts that affirm one's capability and worthiness of wealth. Another critical barrier is fear of failure, fear of ridicule, and fear of the unknown. Felix Dennis describes fear as one of the most potent deterrents in the quest for wealth. Overcoming this fear is not about its absence, but about the courage to act in spite of it. Taking risks is an indispensable part of the equation, as no significant wealth has ever been accumulated without venturing into the realm of uncertainty. Embracing failure as a learning tool rather than an endpoint is vital. Each failure, Dennis argues, is a stepping stone, providing invaluable lessons that pave the way for future success. To develop a wealth-oriented mindset, Dennis advocates for several strategies. First and foremost, cultivating a sense of relentless determination and persistence is paramount. Wealth building is often a long and arduous journey requiring tenacity and the stamina to endure setbacks. Additionally, Dennis highlights the importance of self-reliance and proactiveness. Waiting for opportunities to knock is not a viable strategy. Creating and seizing opportunities with a proactive mindset is key. Shifting from a consumer mindset to a creator mindset accelerates wealth building. Instead of just consuming, successful individuals create value that others pay for, acquiring innovation and unconventional thinking. Additionally, a clear vision is crucial. Felix Dennis emphasizes that wealth should be a tool, not the end goal. Purpose-driven motivation fuels persistence through challenges. Ultimately, the right mindset involves overcoming mental barriers, embracing risk, being proactive, creating value, and staying aligned with a meaningful vision. Key pillars for building lasting wealth.